Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello dear student. Now today we will listen and learn a beautiful poem, Only One Mother. So student, listen, repeat and read with me. Hundred of stars in the pretty sky, hundred of shells on the shore together, hundred of birds that go singing by, hundred of lambs in the sunny weather, hundred of dewdrop to grade the down, hundred of bees in the purple clover, hundred of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother the wide world over, but only one mother the wide world over. Thanks for watching my videos.